Alva, it is difficult to film you if you keep moving around.
I'm part of a new contact thingamajig at school that's supposed to know where I am. I'm just seeing how good it works.
It's called contact tracing, Alva, and it's not meant to follow your every step as you zigzag about the living room.
Okay, this winter an app is going to keep track of all the kids and their families in my school. If any colds or flus happen, they can track who has it to stop it from spreading. That's our house. And now Dad's going to help me put in info about the rest of the family.
But we wouldn't give our info to just anyone, would we?
This app helps protect your family and your friends. So contact tracing's a good thing. I wonder how they do contact tracing in Gizmo. Mo, go Gizmo!
Hi, Mo.
Good morning, Mayor Garth.
I've just popped out to buy this poochberry cup and hear the morning news.
Oh, yay! Oh, yay! There's a case of the sneesels in Gizmo.
The sneesels? That's not oolerific news at all.
What are the sneesels?
Well, the sneesels is a very contagious bug with one really big symptom. Oh.
According to my database, the sneezel's main symptom is a gigantic sneeze.
Thanks, Mo. I think I got it.
Oh. Town crier, you must make sure everyone in Gizmo knows about the sneesels and that they must stay at home and turn on their Gizmitron contact tracing system.
Oh, yay! Oh, yay!
And they need to report any sneasel symptoms. I need to summon the Ooly helper and figure out who I could have got the sneasels from. Oh, wait, that troll I bought the poochberry cup from had the sniffles. Now, what sort of mischief should we get up to? Sneasels, stay away from me. What if I catch it? What if all of Trollum catches it? Who would bother the Oolies then?
No silly germ is going to make me stay at home. If you don't want to make mischief, I'll do it myself.
Ooly helper, here to help.
Ooly helper, let me just...
Oh my, Mayor Garth. Some sneasel ankle weights will help you from flying off your feet.
Oh, that's better.
I don't know if humans can carry the sneasels, Alva, but you better wear a face mask to be sure.
Woo!
Mo, you won't catch sneasels as you're a machine.
Perhaps I should wear one regardless, just to set a good example.
Ew! What are you going to do with that?
This special Ooly Froom can create a cure from sneasel sneezes. The more different sneasel sneezes I get, the quicker the cure.
I just want to know what I can do to help everyone else in Gizmo not get sick too.
A mask keeps you from being a spreader.
Phew.
And now you can be our first entry in the Gizmitron's contact tracer.
Oh, an Ooly helper. This is not where I wanted to land.
Really?
I didn't know they were your favorite band.
Today, Dad has just read online that Nessa's favorite band has split up.
Of course course they're my favorite band. S-Band have been for, like, ever. I'll never see them play now. My life is ruined.
Nissa. I don't get it, Alva. I know I was the one to break the news to her, but this reaction?
How did you know about S-Bend splitting up anyway, Dad?
I read it on Newsface.
Did you know, Mo?
There are 523 stories trending about S-Bend.
Maybe I should have read more than one story. Maybe it's fake news.
What's fake news?
Fake news are stories that aren't true, that people like to spread about.
Why would anyone spread a lie? Mo, go, Gizmo! What's that noise?
If I'm not mistaken, that is a town crier, the bringers of news in Gizmo.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yay! Oh, yay! Today is the Blobbo Smile Like You Mean It Happy Day. Also, there have been reports of trolls lurking in town. Sources say they are looking for mischief.
Always looking for mischief. Oh, hey, Alva.
Hey, everyone. I'm really liking your town crier.
It's good to know exactly what's happening in Gizmo every day.
Okay, gotta go. See everyone later.
Where you going, Uli Pom?
I'll know when I get there.
I sense an opportunity.
Everyone knows Ulis believe everything town criers say.
So let's give them the troll news.
Town crier, it's terrible.
Horrible, actually.
Oh, yay? And I haven't heard about it? Tell me.
There's a bunch of oolies camping up on Brick-a-Brag Mountain. They haven't heard any news in days.
I didn't know. My data matrix tracks news, not oolies.
Well, you better hurry then.
Oh, yay, oh, yay! Town crier to bring news to camping oolies.
Talking of news. Oh yay! Oh yay! Town crier tricked into heading to the mountains. Lovely day for a stroll.
Oh, yes. But what I really want is to find a songflower as a gift for Mayor Garth.
Oh yay! Oh yay! The best songflowers ever just bloomed in Ulipop Forest!
They did?
Of course! I'm a town crier!
So it must be true. Thank you.
You Plinox! Ulibom will be gone for ages. There are no songflowers in Ulipop Forest.
Let's do more fake news.
Oh yay, oh yay! Ulipom moves to a nice cabin in Ulipop Forest.
No way! Why would Ulipom move away to a cabin in the woods?
It makes no sense at all.
But the town crier is always right. Oh yay, oh yay! Since Ulipom is gone, Mayor Garth plans to send Ulipom away and become best friends with the trolls. What? But I like living here. Why are you sending me away?
I'm not sending you away, and I'm not friending trolls. I want Pom to come back. We'll never see Uli Pom again.
Who's going to tell me when my shirt is on backwards?
Why would the town crier say Mayor Garth is going to send Uli Bean away when he's not?
That would not qualify as news. Not real news, anyhow.
That means it's fake news! Hey, Uli Pom! Good to see you.
Oh, hi, Alva.
You look tired.
I detect severely depleted energy levels. May I recommend a nap? I absolutely would love a nap.
Why are you so exhausted?
It's those trolls.
Why am I not surprised? Ugh, you'd better show me what they've been up to now.
Hop to it, Mayor Garth. It's your go again.
Can we stop? Sometime soon.
Yay!
I don't believe it.
Hey, Alva. So good to see you. Don't tell me you've changed your hair. Hey, Mo, pretty as ever.
The trolls. They're being nice?
Oh, yay! Hey, wanna come and dance?
I guess so.
Dancing is fun! I hate dancing!
Okay.
Well, shall we?
I had no idea you liked dancing.
Neither did I, until today. Okay, so my turn first.
Whew, you're good at this. I'm not sure I'll be able to keep up. Wow! Mayor Garth! Are you okay?
I'm not sure how much more hopping I can take.
Just why are the trolls so happy?
They're not. They have troll flu.
Troll flu?
Isn't this fun? Hop till you drop, Uli.
Ah, found it. Troll flu is a nasty bug that makes trolls act odd. Each year, they must eat blackberries to prevent it.
I wonder. Hey, Skatha!
Hey!
Have you trolls taken your blackberries this year?
Blackberries taste like feet! Do you think I should eat some?
Yeah. Happy, sad, and everything in between. No wonder the Ulis are exhausted.
The blobbos and Ulis will run out of energy if we don't help them.
Mo, I've got an idea, but I'm going to need the blobbos' help.
Oh, cozy. Thank you, blobbos. Bed's too soft. Trolls like to sleep on hard rocks.
I like napping. But I don't want to sleep.
Be good little patients for me and the Ulis, okay? And get your rest.
Okay. No way.
Oh my! This sure is a pretty bad case of troll flu.
I want to play hop chase now. Hop chase. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Did you spend all the town's gizbits on bubbles?
Yes. Aren't they impressive? Look at this purple one. It's next level bling-a-ling.
I think that one's faulty.
Oh,
May I suggest bringing it back to the Chainmaker's workshop to ask for a replacement?
Good thinking, Mo. Let's go, Oolies!
Oh, you three. Alva just went to your shop. Let me guess, a faulty bubble, right?
These things happen.
Yeah, that's why we thought we'd offer an Oolie of your exquisite taste even better, more next-level bling-a-ling. But I'm out of Gizbits.
Gizbits aren't the only way to pay for something.
I've just done a search on Mo Maps, and there are no Chainmakers listed anywhere in Gizmo.
Well, that's weird.
And there's something weird about this. Without its fancy color, it looks just like a regular bubble from the bubble bush in the park.
Then I say we go to the bubble bush.
Presenting the gold-striped bubble. Now, we're gonna have an auction. Each of you is gonna offer something valuable for the gold-striped bubble. The one who bids the most valuable item wins. Okay, who wants to start the bidding?
I'll bid 1 shoe for the bubble.
I'll bid 2 shoes.
All right, we got 2 shoes going once, going twice. Come on. Oh, I get it. I'll bid a pair of boots. We got a pair of boots going once, going twice.
My favorite fork.
My favorite fork and spoon.
My favorite spoon and berry bowl. Yeah, we got a spoon and a berry bowl going once, going twice.
I'll bid Gizmo.
You can't bid Gizmo.
Okay, I'll bid Gizmo then.
You can't bid Gizmo either. I'm the mayor. I would have to stand here and say, I bid Gizmo. Wait, I can't hear you from over here. I bid Gizmo. Right, Gizmo, going once, going twice. 1 gold-striped bubble sold to former Mayor Uli Garth for the mere price of Gizmo.
Wait, what now? I didn't mean to actually...
You got till dusk to clear out.
We did it, guys.
We completely tricked the mayor into spending all his Gizbits on these worthless bubbles.
And then we took Gizmo from him.
It's the trolls!
Foolies are foolies.
The entire town of Gizmo in exchange for 1 bubble?
You were tricked. It's not fair.
Oh, well, it may not be nice, Alva, but under the Gizmo rules of swapsies and tradesies, it was fair. I'm such an ooly fooly.
Oh, Mayor Garth, if someone mean tricks you, it's not your fault.
Oh, it's just Uli Garth now. Or it will be at dusk when those trolls come back to take over Gizmo. What would you do?
If somebody tricked me, I'd tell Mo and Dad straight away.
It won't be the same with the trolls in charge of Gizmo.
Hey, if the trolls want Gizmo, let's give them Gizmo.
I predict that Alva is having one of her excellent ideas.
It's dusk. Here we are. We're in charge now. We're the trolls.
Oh, we had no idea. Did we, Oolies?
Nuh-uh.
No idea whatsoever.
It's such a relief not to have to run the town anymore. And everything that comes with the job. Everything that comes with the job? There's so much work to do running Gizmo. Isn't that right, Alva?
Oh, yes. To keep the fountain clean, the fountain cleaners will have to be paid 5 Gizbits. Organising street sweeping, that'll cost 10 Gizbits. And don't forget, to feed the blobbos, you'll have to pay 16 Gizbits.
Oh, yeah, they do get rather peckish. Enough! Enough! I'm sure you'll figure it all out after a few years. No, wait! We don't want the town anymore!
It's way too much work.
And really expensive.
Please!
Well, if you'd prefer, Mayor Garth could give you the bubbles back if you give him Gizmo back and all those Gizbits he spent.
Yeah, anything!
Take them all!
Whose big idea was that anyway? This box is perfect perfect for keeping gizbits in.
I can see how much you like having the key with you, Mayor Garth. But I wonder if maybe you should keep it in the safe in the town hall. You know, for safekeeping.
Oh no, I'd still like to keep the key to the Gizmitron with me. Best of all, it's handy for opening bottles of my favorite juice, berry broth.
Welcome to my pop-up shop. Can I interest you in a free berry broth?
Oh, my favorite! Yes, please!
Coming right up, sir. Oh, what do you know? I can't seem to find my bottle opener.
This will do the trick.
Should you really be handing over the key to the Gizmitron to someone you don't know?
Oh, it's fine. It's only for a moment. See, Alva? Not a problem. And I got a free bottle of berry broth. Now, how about we visit the blobbo tree?
That's weird.
That's weirdly weird.
Why are all the blobbos upside down?
That's a very good question, Mo.
Oh, the fountain! It's frozen! What in ooly-booly is going on? Everything on the Gizmitron was set just right for the day. Oh, wait! The Gizmitron shouldn't be on.
Perhaps you forgot to lock it today.
Oh, I'd never do that, Alva. It's so super important. Oh, someone's been messing around with the controls! But how? I'm the only one with the key!
Hello? What? The Giz bridge is sideways!
Hello? The gates to the Gizzy are open, and the hooly-booly birds are running wild in your shop?
The street lamps are flashing like disco lights.
I'm afraid I'm not an expert on clouds, but I do not believe there should be one in your bath.
Oh.
It does look like someone else has access to the Gizmitron.
But that's impossible.
Not if there's another key. We need to find out. If you put everything in town back to normal, then whoever the mischief makers are won't be able to resist coming back and doing it again.
But how?
They must have been troll-wigging on us and overheard you mention your key was great for opening berry broth. They must have made a copy.
But I only handed it over for a second.
That's all it takes. And we really need to get that key back off them.
Let's jump out and tell them to hand it over.
No, they'll just run away.
Causing chaos in Gizmo is so much fun!
Oh, how could I have been so careless? Now the trolls have their own key, they can come and create mischief anytime.
Don't worry, Mayor Garth. We'll get that key.
Perhaps a boodle cress and sprig bunion sandwich might help us think.
I have an idea.
Citizens of Gizmo, I'm sorry for all the chaos recently, but I now believe I know what has happened. The old key to the Gizmitron has gone wonky. But don't worry, I've got a brand new shiny key. Wait, what? A new key?
That means our key won't work anymore.
And don't fret, Humble Bluff. We'll just make a copy of the new key. Ha! Free berry brat!
Oh, yes, please.
Oh dear. Where's my bottle opener?
Unfortunately, my new key doesn't open bottles like my brilliant old one did. Well, we'll be on our way.
Oh, there it is. I found my bottle opener after all.
Ooh, that looks just like my old key. May I have a look at it?
Sure, but only if we can look at your new key.
I really do love a key that opens bottles of berry broth. Let's swap. Now, how about a walk in the park?
It's too easy sometimes. Let's make mischief while the mayor is on his walk.
What? It doesn't work!
No, it most certainly does not.
But it's very good for wrapping your sandwiches in.
Oh, they tricked us!
Sandwiches. Now I'm hungry.
Now both keys are safe in the safe.
We're just back from our holiday. And what was everyone's favorite part?
Swimming.
Kids Club.
A week off work.
My favorite part was the secret hideout I built with my holiday friends. So much fun. I can't wait to go back next year.
Ready to upload, Alva?
Huh? Upload what exactly?
There's a site called Cool Kids Holidays. Can I post these pics?
Sure. Then other kids can see your hideout and have fun in it too.
No, I don't want anyone else to find it.
Then you probably shouldn't share photos that give away details about where it is.
I wonder what they would do in Gizmo. Oh, go Gizmo!
Alva! Mo! Oh, just a second. Oh, the upside-down playground got flipped right side up. I'll get someone right over there. The elevator's running 3 seconds slow. I'll hurry it along.
I detect that you are walking at half your usual speed.
Well, what was the question?
You need a holiday. Mum and Dad always say a holiday from work is very important.
Gizmo mares don't take holidays. They take one afternoon off a year. But when was my last afternoon off? A long time ago. Yeah, maybe I should take a break.
You should. You do such a good job taking care of others. You need to take care of yourself. Go somewhere quiet, where no one can disturb you. We'll stay to tell everyone that you'll be back soon.
Goodbye, Alva.
Bye. Have fun.
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo. I'm here to see Mayor Garth. I have a problem with my door. It squeaks like "Arg."
Can it wait until tomorrow? Mayor Garth's taking the afternoon off.
Oh, Mayor Garth deserves time off. I'll come back tomorrow. Goodbye.
Bye.
He's taking the afternoon off.
Want some quiet time?
Not if we can help it.
Hello, flower. Hello, tree. Mayor Garth's got the afternoon free. I think it's time for a selfie.
Where's Mayor Garth?
How are we supposed to disturb him if we can't find him? Mayor Garth just posted a selfie to his pick patch. Look, it shows his location. He's at the flower bed. I'm gonna link to Mayor Garth's pick patch so we can know where he's posting selfies from at all times.
Hey, Hey, Mayor, what you doing?
I'm enjoying the peace and quiet.
Meh, I'm not a fan of peace and quiet. I love singing loud songs, out of tune.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna move somewhere easier on my ears.
Your humming is so bad, Skater.
That was the idea?
Wait, he posted another selfie. He's at the entrance to the forest.
Oh, dear.
This is Alva's family vlog, and today Finn and me are going to help Nessa do an amazing clip-clop Dare the Day video.
We're going to do a double piggyback. That's where Alva piggybacks on me, and at the same time, Finn piggybacks on Alva.
Yay!
That seems like we could get hurt.
It'll be fine, Alva, and we'll get tons of likes.
Nessa, this isn't a clip-clop dare, is it? Nessa, you know full well Alva and Finn only do approved dares from the family section of the app.
Ugh! All my friends are going to post clip-clop vids, and I'm going to just be a big loser.
Don't be mad at Nessa, Mum. Me and Finn said we would do it and help her get a bunch of likes. But then I started to feel nervous.
Alva, you shouldn't do something you don't feel comfortable with. Not for likes or anything else.
Clip-clop dares are fun sometimes, Finn. But other times I don't get the whole thing. Mo, go, Gizmo! Hi, Ulies. What are you doing?
Hey, Alva. We're fizz-gizzing.
Huh?
I've scanned my database and can't find fizz-gizzing anywhere. Oh, it's the best new thing! This FizzGig app gives you a deed to do, and you have to do it. Join us, Alva.
I don't really know anything about FizzGiz. Like, if it's safe.
Oh, it's totally okay.
Hi, I'm Mayor Garth, and I approve of FizzGiz.
I guess that's good enough for me.
That's right, FizzGizzers, dance. The more deeds you do, the best as FizzGizzers you'll be.
Wow, that was pretty high in the applausometer.
That was so much fun.
Okay, FizzGizzers, follow the sky screen for the next deed to do. Looks like we have a new FizzGizzer. Welcome.
Thanks. Ulipom, Ulibean, aren't you worried about an app run by trolls?
Hello? Standing right here.
Don't worry, Alva. Everything we've been doing is super fun.
And healthy. We'll show you. Okay, FizzGizzers, your deed to do is 3 Uli jumping jacks.
Again, my database has no clue what an Uli jumping jack is.
An Uli jumping jack is where you rub your belly in the middle.
Hurry, FizzGizzers! Do your deed, or you won't get any applause.
That was great applause.
Okay, FizzGizzers, find 3 healthy things to eat from the food carts. Yay! Now we have Alva and those Ulies right where we want them.
Eating healthy snacks?
No, you snoodle. Now that they think they're doing healthy deeds, we'll see just how much we can get them to embarrass themselves.
I wanted to do a family vlog, But then Finn and I started watching this scary video. Ah! Mom!
What happened?
My tablet ran out of battery, so Nessa let us use her laptop.
And you watched a scary video you shouldn't have?
Super scary.
I know there are things on the internet kids shouldn't click on, but I didn't think that video was one of them. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's not your fault, Alva. It was just a mistake. But now you know why yours and Finn's devices have parental controls. Nessa is old enough to watch different things than you two.
Sorry, my phone was upstairs and I heard it ring. My bad.
Oh, nobody's bad, Nessa. It's just a good example of why we have parental controls.
Got it. Alva's tablet is charging in the kitchen.
Okay, I'll see if it's charged and get it. And finish my coffee. You okay, Finn?
I'm going to hide from the scaries.
If you say so, love.
I wonder if anything like this happens in Gizmo. Mo, go, Gizmo! Oh, wait. Let me make sure Mum isn't mad at Nessa.
Yay!
Huh? Wait, Finn! Mo, go, Gizmo!
Alva! Mom! Huh?
Mo, where's Finn? Uh-oh, where's Mo?
There you are, Alva. Mo appeared in my office without you. Very unusual.
I calculate that Finn entering my vortex unexpectedly caused us all to appear in different locations.
Finn?
Finn's my little brother, Mayor Garth. We really need to find him, because he's too young to know there are places you shouldn't go.
What if he ends up in Trollum?
That must be very worrying, Alva. Where do you think he might go?
Well, we both love going to the park at home. My first time here, that's where I went.
Then let's look in Gizmo Park.
Yay!
Hello?
Ah! Monster!
No, not a monster. I'm an oolie.
Uli? Alva talks about Ulis.
You know Alva? Wait, you look just like how Alva describes her brother. You must be Finn.
I'm not supposed to talk to strangers.
Oh, you're right. What to do?
Well, if it isn't Ooly Fooly Bean. Ah, what is that?
Oh, good. You made him smile.
Made who smile?
That's Alva's brother.
Oh, there's two of them to ruin our troll fun now. Boo!
Ah! Stranger danger! I'm going to look for a police officer so I'll be safe from strangers.
I'm gonna beat ya!
Oh, we'll see about that.
Huh?
More strangers!
You're the strange one?
I'm not strange, I'm Finn. Oops, I shouldn't have given my name to strangers. Finn? Finn is Alva's brother.
Ah! Another one? No fair!
Alva must be so worried. I'm sure she's out looking for him.
Then let's get them back together so they can both be gone. Come on, kid, follow us.
I don't go with strangers.
I told ya, you're the stranger around here.
Be nice, Humble Bluff. He shouldn't go with strangers. But I have a way to signal Alva, though we haven't used it in a while. Ooly, 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 ho, ho, ho!
Ah! Ooly, yobo!
It still works. Alva's coming. I like you. I'm Finn. And I'm Palm.
Finn!
Alva! It's so good to see you, Finn. Mo?
Finn's never seen you in Gizmo before, Mo.
This is Gizmo.
It sure is.
What if my flower patch really is no good, Alva? It needs something noticeable, oolerific even. We need to make it...
The best flower patch in Gizmo. We'll get your likes, Uli Bean. Now it's even prettier. Just you wait and see. A blobbo is coming.
Hey, Blobbo!
Huh?
Look what we made! It's a face, see? On a gizmelon.
That was our like.
Mine now. Try harder.
Oh, they got that blobbo's attention by being all big and dazzling.
Of course! When you think of trolls, you think big and dazzling.
How could that blobbo notice our flower patch with that going on?
If I might suggest, Alva, we could be big and dazzling.
That's it. Forget these little stones. I've some bigger ideas. Let's get loud.
Huh? Whoa! It's not right. It's not right at all. The trolls just keep jumping on every idea we have. Going bigger and dazzlinger and surprisinger.
I agree with Uli Bean. This isn't right at all.
Indeed, Alva. By my calculations, the trolls are currently 24.7% more surprisinger.
No, Mo. I just mean it's no fun. And look at poor Uli Bean. He's not happy, and he looks all frowny.
Maybe it did need a cake, Alva. No, that's not right either.
Wait, Uli Bean. This isn't making us happy at all.
That's because nobody liked it yet. We need to do more. Maybe add a fountain. No, a dinosaur. Or a rocket ship. People love rocket ships, right?
But that's just it. I know it feels nice when people like what we do. But did you make this flower patch because other people like it? Or because you like it?
Well, I made it because I like it. I made it for myself.
So it doesn't matter what others think, does it? It matters what you think. And what do you think?
I liked it the way it was before.
Then how about I help you get it back? Just the way you want it.
Wait! Where's our likes?
What do you mean, our likes? Those last few were my likes. Hey, watch me hop on one leg.
Anyone can hop on one leg. I can hop on no legs.
Looks like the trolls aren't quite so dazzling anymore.
And are now 32% less surprising.
Oh, yay! Oh, yay! Something terribly interesting is happening.
No! I'm terribly interesting, too!
No way! I'm more interesting! Let me do the Gizmelon thing again. I'll do it better this time.
No, me! I need my likes!
Oh, just look at it. You like it, Alva?
What's important is that you like it, Uli Bean.
I love it. It's exactly the way I wanted it all along.
Uli Bean, your flower patch looks ooly-tastic.
Indeed. It's the floweriest and patchiest flower patch I've seen since breakfast. Wonderful.
People do like your flower patch.
I'm glad, Alva, really I am. But I did it for myself. And now, I wouldn't change it for all the likes in Gizmo. Thank you so much.
Well, we'll see you later. Okay, Mo, time to go.
Goodbye, Alva. Goodbye, Mo.
Did our photo get any more likes?
We didn't take the photos for likes, Nessa. We took them for us.
That's right. And we only shared it with friends and family. We're not exactly Trudy Stormbeamer.
Mom, it's Lucy Stardreamer.
This is the best photo of us ever.
Wait, you posted that one? But we look...
We look very funny and very happy.
And that's all that matters, Alva. I wouldn't change it.
Why didn't you tell me you were releasing a new song? Shh! I mean, why didn't you tell me Sneezy was releasing a new song? And why are you letting those trolls sell it? It's so expensive. I've no gizbits left for the Uli helpers.
I didn't, and I'm not. The trolls found my song and are selling it without my permission.
Oh, I feel so bad. I'm going to find Mayor Garth and donate my music player to the Uli helpers.
Great idea. You must feel terrible about this, Uli Bean. Let me talk to them.
10 gizbits.
What? No, I don't want to buy Big Heart from you. I want you to stop selling Sneezy's song.
Why? He gave us permission to sell his music.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. It's your word against ours. And without Sneezy, you can't prove nothing.
Oh, I just want to go home.
You can hold these balloons if you like. That usually cheers you up. Yes! I think I know how to stop the trolls and get the money the Uli helpers need. That is, if you're willing to play along.
I'd do anything for the Uli helpers right now.
Yes!
You again. I told you, there's nothing you can do to stop us.
I wouldn't be so sure.
Wow! It's Sneezy! I love him!
Wow. He sure knows how to make an entrance.
Sneezy, it's me, your biggest fan.
No, I'm your biggest fan.
No, I am.
Well then, as my biggest fans, I would like you to give all the money you earned from my song, Big Heart, to the Uli Helpers Party Fund.
Hang on a minute. We found the recording fair and square.
Yeah, we worked hard to sell it to everyone.
Besides, you're not even performing anymore.
Hey, every Uli! I have an announcement. I'm willing to do a one-time live performance of Big Heart that Mo will record and stream for all of Gizmo to enjoy for free. Who wants to see that? You were selling Big Heart without my permission, and that's just not cool. If you want to come to my concert, then you have to give all the Big Heart gizbits to the Uli Helpers Party Fund.
Well, maybe we could give some of the money.
I think you might need to give more than that.
I didn't know I was buying a song that was stolen from Sneezy.
I want my money back, so I can donate to the Uli Helper Fund.
Oh dear, they look a bit cross.
What can we do?
Return the money that you stole from Sneezy.
Yeah, sure. We were always going to donate it to the Uli party anyway. We love parties.
This is way better than Trolley Pops.
Woo! Go Sneezy!
We almost missed all the fun.
That was so great! Thanks for all your help, Alva. You truly have a big heart!
Aw, thanks, Uli Bean. It was wrong of the trolls to take your music and steal money from you, but it turned out okay. And Gizmo got to enjoy Sneezy one more time.
Yeah, woo, rock on. Sorry.
We can't wait to return for the Uli Helper party, but right now we need to get home. Bye!
Bye, Alva! Bye, Mo!
Taking someone's music without paying them for it really is stealing. And I don't want to steal from Sneezy.
That's right, Alva. And the same goes for every artist, filmmaker, or game designer. You have to pay fairly to enjoy their work.
You have to pay to play.
So, how old are you? Are you a girl or a boy?
Woohoo! Yeah!
Hey, look at Dad.
Huh?
You're just jealous of my moves.
Next question. Where do you live?
What are you up to?
We're entering a quiz about her favourite TV show, The Gibson Bunch. We've been streaming it for weeks.
The winner gets a signed photo of the cast.
Why did they need to know where you live or your birthday? Most of these questions aren't even about any Gibsons. They're about you. And who knows what they want this info for? My cookies.
Cookies. I'll help.
Maybe Dad is right. Mo, go, Gizmo! Hi, Mayor Garth. What's going on?
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo. This is the Quizmo Cup hat. It's the prize for our annual quiz today. The winner gets to wear it for a week.
Huh? Did you say Quizmo Cup hat?
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Oh, I love it too. I'm the quizmaster every year, so I never get to wear it.
Why would anyone wear a trophy as a hat?
I'm not sure. That's just the way it's always been. And now I need to go to the town hall's kitchen and fill it with poochberries.
Why would anyone fill a trophy hat with poochberries?
Let me guess. That's just the way it's always been?
Exactly. Now, why don't you two help me? When we're done, I'll lock the cup hat in the town hall fridge until quiz time. Nice and safe.
Ha! We never get to wear that trophy hat either.
Yeah, that's because we can't enter the Quizmo Cup at all. We were banned for cheating.
So, that means we can never ever enjoy poochberries served in a shiny trophy hat? Skatha, you know what to do.
Launching Operation... Stilo Hatto!
Wow! Oh my Gizmo! The Quizmo Cup hat! Right here in the plaza! I just have to take a selfie. Everybody say troll 'em! Great, thanks! See ya!
I didn't think trolls were such fans of quizzes. So, do we need to test the poochberries? See if they're ripe?
Well, it would be a shame not to. The hat will be safe down here, locked in the fridge. And no one would ever guess the passcode. It's my mother's shoe size.
Mayor Garth, You should always keep the password a secret and never say it out loud.
Well, there's just us here, but you do make a good point. I'll be more careful.
Doopy-doo, doopy-doo-doo. Oop-a-doopy-doo.
Aw, he almost said his passcode number. Now we need to figure out Mayor Garth's mother's shoe size.
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Hi, Uli Bean. Mayor Garth, we're going to see how Uli Bean is getting on with setting up.
And I'm gonna get the quiz questions ready. Oh, I really hope someday I can be the one answering the questions instead of asking them.
Aw.
I would offer to conduct the quiz for you, Mayor Garth, but my quiz functions were disabled because of a glitch where I couldn't stop asking questions.
Yeah, that was a really long week.
Bye! Time for Plan B. Operation Find Mama's Shoe Size.
I've just finished a surprise drawing for Dad. Look, Mum.
Oh, that's really good, Alva.
Oh, can I see? It's gone?
Oh, I'm sorry, Alva. Looks like your drawing's been deleted.
Oh no, I spent ages working on it.
I'm really sorry, Alva.
It's okay, Finn. It was an accident.
Here, Alva. I'll show you how to save your work so you'll never lose it again. I've set it to auto-save, so your work will always be saved as you go.
I wish I'd done that with Dad's drawing. I'll never come up with a better one.
Try taking a deep breath, clear your mind, and have another go. There's no reason why you can't come up with something as good.
Does this kind of thing ever happen in Gizmo? Mo, go, Gizmo!
La 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 la.
Hi, Uli Bean. Why are you waving a stick at the blobbos?
That stick is called a baton, which Uli Bean is using to conduct an orchestra of blobbos.
That's right! Mayor Garth knows I love making music, so he asked me to come up with a blobbo symphony for the turning on of the fountain.
Wow, that sounds really important.
It sure is! I've spent ages coming up with the most oolerific tune ever! La 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 la. Aha! All done. Oh, phew.
That sounds great.
Thanks, Alva. Now, time for lunch.
Maybe you should write the tune down so you don't forget it.
Don't worry, Alva. I'd never forget such a catchy tune.
Won't forget the tune, huh? We'll see about that. Now, who's on for ruining the fountain ceremony?
Trolls, what are you up to?
It's a brand new business venture. Welcome to the Trolls and Tunes Cafe.
Trolls and tunes?
Yes, indeed. Would you like to hear our musical menu?
And special today is rather special, I'd say.
Bugs in hay. What do you say?
Bog, bugs and hay? I'm sure it's very nice if you're a troll, but...
Oh, clumsy me. Let me sing you a song of apology. Oops, I spilled the water, the water, the water. Oops, I spilled the water, the water on you.
Hey,
You're not gonna order nothing?
Sorry, no. I better catch up with Uli Bean.
Goodbye! Come back soon! To Trolls and Tunes!
Cafe!
Trolls and Tunes Cafe? More like Trolls Out of Tune Cafe. Aw, what's wrong, Uli Bean?
Oh, Alva, I just had to get away from that awful singing.
Me too. I think they were doing it on purpose. I wonder why.
Wait an Uli moment. What was my symphony tune again? La la, oops, I spilled the bog bugs. Oh, no, that's not it. Our special today is la la, rather special, I'd say. Ah! All I can remember are those awful screeching troll tunes.
Wait, maybe I can remember it. Trolla, come back soon to Trolls and Tunes. Uh-oh.
Oh, how delightful.
Yes! No! Take it down now! I look ridiculous! It's so uncool.
No one will see it apart from us, Nessa. It's on the family vlog.
Well, I can see it. Take it down.
Okay. What's with the green eyebrows, sis?
Ah, these bad boys. I wondered when you'd notice. Now these are cool.
If you say so, love.
The famous Swaymaker Lucky Pug is rocking them.
Swaymaker?
So much to learn. They're online experts who tell you what the next big thing is going to be. Come on, let me color yours.
Can I, Mom?
Okay.
Now, hold still. Done. Whoa. See? Cool. No need to thank me.
Do I really look cool? I don't know if this Swaymaker is right. Mo, go, Gizmo! You know what that means.
Mayor Garth's weekly Gizmayering ceremony, a highlight of the Uli social calendar. And I recall that you are supposed to be doing the honors this week, Alva.
Oh, what fun! I'm here!
You might be, but the mayor isn't. You've changed. Is it your hair?
No, it's these bad boys.
They look very striking.
They really match each other.
I'm not too sure I like them.
May I suggest we try to locate Mayor Garth?
So, what happened to him?
We don't know. It's most unlike him to be late for his Gizmayering.
We're going on a mayor hunt. Uli Bean, you come with me. Mo, you go that way with Uli Palm. I haven't seen this place before.
Yeah, it just popped up. Ooly la la, very fancy.
Doesn't look that fancy to me.
Oh, my God! It is so you!
I think we found him.
So regal!
So strong.
So, what they said.
Mayor Garth?
Oh, hi, Alva. What do you think? Apparently, all the mayors dress like this now.
Oh, right. Well, do you like it?
You look amazing! I have a green nose of my own at home.
You look like an emperor.
Totes Mayor-alicious.
Oh, yeah, totes. Whatever they said.
Well, I guess you know more than me.
Exactly. No need for these now.
You
Make sure nothing happens to this bin, Glumph.
These clothes makers are an awful lot like sway makers.
Mayor Garth, your gizmaring ceremony?
Oh, of course. Well, thank you for your kind work. It's time to go. Bye.
Happy gizmayering!
Have fun.
Oh, yeah, like that's going to happen.
Mayor Garth? Is that you? Doesn't he look great?
Oh, it's totally, styling.
I really liked your old clothes.
Well, now they're in a bin in the Ooly La La shop. There's no going back.
Dad!
We need to spring clean the garden today, and you all promised you'd help me. Remember?
But I want to finish this first.
Wonder what my friends in Gizmo would do. Oh, go Gizmo!
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Hi, Uli Bean. Wow, what are those?
I can confirm that they are the energy source of the blobbo tree. That's right, Mo. They're called globos.
But why are they...
Up in the air? It's cleaning day. Every year, one Uli takes a turn cleaning the globos to keep them in good working order.
Oh, kind of like how our family spring cleans our garden. Would you like some help, Uli Bean?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Where are all the blobbos?
Mayor Garth and Uli Pom have taken them camping on Mount Gizmo so we can get the cleaning done without any distractions.
Great.
Wow. Globo's almost put me in a good mood, and soon one will be ours.
Everyone in Trollum will be amazed when we bring one back. Now, all we need is a sky screen. And our Mickey-uppy blobbo experience can begin.
Uli Bean,
The trolls!
Uh-oh.
don't look so glum to see us. We have something for you.
Presenting the Blobble Experience! Take a trip in a blobble and discover what it's like to be a blobbo! Fly high! Show your joy! Each blobble comes with its own truly amazing icons. So, who wants a try?
That sounds oolly-rific! But these globos really need to be cleaned.
Hey, if you're going to tidy the blobbo tree, you deserve to see what being a blobbo is like first.
What do you think, Alva?
I'd love to try a blobble. Maybe we can do it for a little while and come back to the cleaning.
Trollerific! That will be 3 gizbits for 3 blobbles.
If you don't mind, I can already fly. And I'm an excellent communicator in any language. I have just communicated that I love the blobbo tree. You two go and have fun, and I will stay here and watch over it.
But you have to go too.
Huh?
Oh, he's just worried about Mo being lonely on her own. Don't sweat it, Glump. I'll keep her company.
Could I suggest that you don't?
Oh, Mo, you're such a kidder.
Yay!
Wait, how do we get out of the blobbles?
When you're done, just pop the blobble with a special popper.
Oh.
Wow!
Wow, this This must be what it's like to see feelings. It makes me feel happy.
Whoa!
How strange. Where is everybody?
It is quieter than usual.
Maybe they're playing a game.
Quite possibly. We did play Uli yodeling last time we were here.
Yes, great idea, Mo. They'll have to reply if they hear us yodel. Uli, 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 ho, ho.
It's a deal of a lifetime, wouldn't you say?
Totally amazing.
A lifetime supply, Mayor Garth. How pretty would these twinkle stones look in Gizmo Town Hall?
Mayor Garth, I think I heard Alva arrive.
All we're requiring in return is for each of you to shout out your name while simultaneously smelling a blackberry flower. Just to make it all official, according to the troll rules of flim-flams and hoodwinks.
I'm allergic to swapberry dust.
To be clear, this is a blackberry flower, not a swapberry flower.
You have yourselves a deal.
All together, say your names into the plap flower.
Uli palm.
It worked!
We're Ulis now.
And they're trolls.
Alva's Uli yodel.
Maybe she can help.
Oh, Alva, you've no idea how glad we are to see you.
They made us smell a flower.
For a card of twinkle stones.
That we don't even want anymore.
Something's not right, Mo. Why are the trolls acting like that?
It would not be the first time a troll has tried to trick someone.
But it's almost like they were happy to see us. Please excuse us for a moment. The best way to avoid being tricked by trolls is to ignore them.
Where has Alva gone?
Let's get out of here, Mo.
When you're in the mayor's body, you can open the mayor's office.
Let's make mischief.
That's a lot of noise coming from Mayor Garth's office.
It does not sound very mayoral.
The weirdest thing just happened.
Huh? Alva? What are you doing here?
Mo and I bumped into the trolls. They're behaving really strangely.
Yes, the trolls. She doesn't know. Don't believe a thing they say. It's just their latest cunning trick, no doubt. Now, run along. I got lots of Mary-type things I gotta do. This is Uli only business.
But I wasn't finished telling...
Goodbye.
They're wrecking the office. Something's definitely off. It's raining in Gizmo too.
Indeed, but the Giz meteorological forecast is for the clouds to part just about now.
Yay!
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Oh,
Hi, Ulis.
it stopped raining, so there's a chance we might see a Gizmo.
A Gizpo?
It's a rainbow that's also a slide.
That sounds neat.
But we've never actually seen one yet.
Just regular rainbows.
Well, while we're waiting for a maybe gizmo, could we play a for real video game?
Okay. But we don't want to miss the gizmo if it comes.
Don't worry. Mo is great at looking out and giving weather alerts.
A gizmo?
I'd love to ride one, but I wouldn't love having to queue up for my turn.
But what if every Uli in town was stuck indoors and we had the gizmo all to ourselves?
Wow, Uli Bean, you've so many cool games.
But we've played them all like a gazillion times already. Huh?
G.I.G. calling!
G.I.G.? Is that your name?
Nah, you silly snoodle. G.I.G. is the Game Institute of Gizmo. And we're inviting all you fine Ulis to help us test out a new game.
Oh, wow!
Yeah, but the game will only work today. So you gotta play it now. Right now.
Let's have a go.
And I'll absolutely keep a lookout for the gizmo.
Hey!
Restart the game.
Oh, so close.
I wonder what we did wrong.
Gizmo update. There is an actual gizmo taking shape, and it looks marvelous.
Phooey.
One more try. Gizmo update. The gizmo is almost complete. The blobbos are very excited about the gizmo, huh?
Hey, I can't see.
Oh, out of the way.
Blobbos, don't make me order you back to the blobbo tree.
Poor blobbos. All they want to do is spend time with you outside of the gizmo.
But the game.
We have to finish it.
It's okay, blobbos. I'll look at the gizmo with you. Wow! Quick, you all have to see this.
As soon as we win.
But you've waited so long to see one. Mo, can you take a picture of the gizmo and project it to show them what they're missing?
That's a great idea. And put it where they can't miss it.
Hey, I can't see it. Oh, so pretty.
That looks really fun.
Games are fun, but they're not worth missing a gizmo for. And we're sorry for being mean to you blobbos, too.
Where is it? It was here a second ago. Oh.
What's wrong, Humblebluff? Have you lost something?
Me? No, I haven't lost anything.
Really?
Of course I've lost something. Why else would I be searching everywhere, saying things like, where is it?
Oh, well, what are you missing?
My turbo giz kite. I was flying it all afternoon, but then my remote control seemed to, lose control of it, and it flew off.
Ah, so you stuck with your giz kite flying after your lesson with Palm. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's like my favorite toy ever. Oh, where is it gone?
Maybe we can help you find it.
Whatever.
Are you quite sure, Alva? The probability of all this being troll trickery is extremely high.
Maybe you're right. Maybe I shouldn't get involved.
Aww.
But it feels terrible to lose your favorite toy. We have to help her. And don't worry, Mo. I'll keep my eyes peeled for trolley tricks. Humblebluff, we can help you.
You really want to help me? After all the trolling I've done to you?
Yeah, of course we do. But your giz kite could be anywhere by now. Where do we start looking?
Latest weather reports show gusts of wind heading towards the west.
Right, then the kite probably blew in that direction.
So let's check it out.
Great!
Me first!
Where is it?
I can't see it anywhere. I don't know what I'd do without my Gizz kite.
Sounds like you really miss it.
I miss it loads. When I'm flying it, I don't have a care in the world. It's just me, my Gizz kite, and the wind. It's perfect.
That's exactly how I feel whenever I ride my bicycle. Wow, I never thought we'd have things in common.
Neither did I. I guess that's another thing we have in common. Oh! Huh? Yoo-hoo! What? No!
Alva? I don't normally see you and Humblebluff together, and definitely not laughing together.
I know, it's a bit strange, all right. But we're helping Humblebluff find her missing Gizz kite.
Still Gizz kiting! Impressive!
Yeah, and I'm even better at it than you. Now, out of the way, Ooly Fooly!
That wasn't very nice, Humblebluff.
Not very nice at all. And actually, I did see a Gizz kite.
You did?
Just now. It went that way.
Look! There it is!
Let's go get it. Thanks, Uli Palm.
Yeah, thanks. I guess.
Oh, it's totally okay.
Aha! Gotcha! Oh, no! Oh, almost.
Hey, come back, Gizz kite. It's me!
This is highly illogical.
Slippery customer, huh? Hey! Going live. Alva, yellow button. In 3, 2, 1.
Hello, Mayor Garth. Great to finally meet you.
Glump, press the red button.
Greetings, Mayor Greta.
Oh, are you at the, circus?
Huh? What?
Did she say a circus?
I believe I can tap into the Fancy Upper video feed.
Oh. Yes. I was just checking on the clowns to see if they'd be available for the upcoming Fizmo Gizmo picnic. Can I call you back? What happened?
And cut! I guess someone pressed the wrong button and brought up the wrong background.
But I pressed the yellow button like you asked.
I don't think so. But we'll double check the equipment and go again.
This is almost too much fun!
I know I pressed yellow. I'm thinking these troll fancy uppers might be up to no good.
Oh, no. What does she think of me?
I'm sure Mayor Greta thinks you're lovely, Mayor Garth.
After seeing me at the circus?
Maybe you shouldn't worry so much about what's in the background and just be yourself.
But that palace background was super impressive.
Okay, back to position, people. Yellow button, Alva. Going live in 3, 2, 1.
Hello, Mayor Greta. I'm so sorry about all the confusion, but everything's fine now.
It's quite all right. Oh, I do like your office.
Well, it's just somewhere suitable for a mayor. I like your office, too.
Green button, Glump.
Now, down to business. The Fizmo Gizmo picnic.
Mayor Garth, has your office been flooded?
Quick, Mo, can you project the video again?
Coming right up.
Oh, no.
Nothing to worry about, just a leaky pipe.
Glump, hit the blue button now.
Oh!
Penguins!
Yes! Oh, I really should get the heating fixed.
Aha! I knew there was something fishy. There are 2 button controllers. Yellow.
Oh, that's better.
Glump, hit purple.
There is no purple.
Red and blue together make purple.
Oh, sorry.
Yellow.
Glump, hit them all.
Yellow.
Oh, dear.
Oh, it's a disaster.
I'm so sorry, Mayor Garth.
It's not your fault, Alva. I should never have trusted those trolls.
I understand. You just wanted to impress. But it's not what's in the background that Mayor Garth is interested in. It's you. Huh?
Bravo, Mayor Garth.
Huh?
This is the most entertaining call I've ever had. It's been so much fun.
Hey, you're not supposed to like it. We spent a lot of time trying to make Mayor Garth look like an ooly-fooly. Pah, that's a wrap.
You're the fancy uppers, and now it's time to go.
Aw.
It's not my fault. It's your fault.
My apologies, Mayor Greta. When I saw your lovely office, I was embarrassed that mine was just a regular one, and that you might think less of me because of it. My pals Alva and Mo offered to help, even though I was being foolish.
You too? I was worried what you might think of me, so I used this fancy digital background. Look.
Oh, we really are alike.
The Know-It was right. This is the best Twinkleberry patch ever. Jingleberries! Oh, I do love jingleberries!
They look so sparkly. Why not pick some for Uli Fest, Mayor Garth?
Jingleberries instead of twinkleberries? Maybe.
Oh, you Plinux!
You almost look like a real know-it, Humble Bluff.
That's what we want the mayor to think.
He'll never be able to look the Oolies in the face again after he misses Oolie Fest.
Oh, another Know-It! Splendid!
Wait a minute. Don't you have to summon Know-Its?
Oh, great and wise Know-It!
Can I use jingleberries instead of twinkleberries for Oolie Fest?
Why choose between just these? When near to us there be a patch of aplenty. You can find all the best berries in the forest. Twinkleberries, sparkleberries, pumpkinberries, and any will do for Oolie Fest.
You don't sound as great or as wise as the other Know-It.
Where is this patch? Where?
That looks kind of weird. We might get lost. I'm not sure we should... Wait! You don't know where you're going!
I do know, Alva! I'm going to find the best berries!
That worked a treat!
Oh, look! Oh, wow!
It's awfully dark in this part of the woods, Mo.
Twinkleberries, jingleberries, kittenberries, rainbow berries.
Hello again, Mayor Garth.
Woohoo! This Know-It once again was not summoned.
I'm thinking rainbow berries are what you need, or glowy berries, or maybe these kitten berries.
So many choices.
Uh-oh, Mo. Mayor Garth looks like Nessa and Finn did when we couldn't decide about the pizza.
Oh no! Oolie Fest is starting! I have to get back! Oolie Kazoolies, we're lost! Oh, great and wise know it. Please tell me the way out of this forest.
Silly Mayor, I'm not a know-it. Now you're gonna miss all the fun.
Trolls! I knew this know-it was fishy.
Now no one will have twinkleberries. Early Fest is ruined!
Oh.
Mayor Garth, how do we summon the real know-it?
There's a know-it, I know it. Oh, Forest, please show it.
Oh, great and wise know-it. Please say that you can send these naughty trolls away so Mayor Garth can get back for Ulifest.
The goodwill of know-its, we're eager to show it. But impersonate a know-it, that's one way to blow it. Repeat these words.
Trolls, trolls, go away! Back to trolling for the rest of the day. Oh, gosh! Oh, great and wise know-it. We're glad the trolls have been sent home to troll him, but we're still lost. And Mayor Garth needs to get back for Ulifest.
Fear not, for when the darkness is near, the magic of twinkleberries will appear.
So that's why they're called twinkleberries.
Silly me. I forgot they did that.
Mayor Garth, there's a hole in your basket. No wonder we had to keep picking berries. Look, that's the way we came. Follow those berries.
Hooray!
Woo!
Thanks for your help, Alva. I don't know what I would have done if you and Mo hadn't been there.
You're welcome, Mayor Garth. I know how you feel. Sometimes I feel like I've too many choices too.
Are you sure you don't want to come to Ulifest, Alva? It's gonna be Uli-rific.
No, thank you, Mayor Garth. I've got pizza and my family waiting. Okay, Mo, time to go. Bye!
Goodbye, Alva.